You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Take a ride in the 2015 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. Come take a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.